Cars are your passion. We understand maintaining their beauty is important. SONAX brings you a full complement of environmentally conscious products to help you distinguish yourself and keep your car looking its best. Leather interiors can be a wonderful complement to a nice driving experience. Keep your seats clean and soft with SONAX Leather Foam, a remarkable 2-in-1 cleaner and conditioner. The foam spray, which is ideal for vehicles equipped with perforated seats, gently penetrates and bonds to contaminants within the leather, which can be easily absorbed and extracted with an applicator sponge. Conditioning ingredients then restore the leather to its original suppleness without a greasy residue. SONAX Leather Foam contains natural beeswax, which provides outstanding waterproofing. Its dye-free formula is suitable for leather of any color. SONAX Leather Foam has a leather fragrance and includes UV protection. You'll agree it's a fantastic 2-in-1 cleaner and conditioner. It also works wonders on leather furniture and other components made of smooth leather. SONAX Leather Foam, the choice of many high-end detailers. Order SONAX Leather Foam today by visiting sonaxusa.com. SONAX, premium German car care.